Hi, welcome to the third part of the Spur gear housing in SolidEdge 2024. So let's hide those bodies. I want to make a new sketch with a line, maybe like that, and the distance from this one to that point should be 85. Okay, and the distance from this plane to that point should be 57.5, and the line should have a length of 100. I want to use this line as reference, so close that sketch, finish, and select the plane again. New sketch, and I need a circle which sits right here at that endpoint, and diameter should be 112. So add the dimension like that, close that sketch, finish, cancels out, and I want to have a new body, so go for add body, confirm. Now let's make an extrude with that sketch here, of course. And it should go from 2, and it should go from minus 62.5 plane to the 62.5 plane. Finish, cancel this out. Now another sketch on the right plane. Now let's put another circle at this endpoint, again 112 in diameter. Add the dimension, finish that sketch, finish, cancel this out, and now I want to add this one to that one, so no need for a new body. Let's go for another extrude with that sketch here, and confirm. It should go from, to extend, it should go from minus 62.5 to up to 62.5, and I want to add it, not cut, but add it, and finish, cancel this out. Great. Now another sketch on the right plane, and I need a rectangle, so let's go for a rectangle, and it would be great if I can put it right there on the midpoint of that line. That would help, so like that. That distance should be 90, and this distance should be 205. Close that sketch, finish, cancel this out, and now I want to go for a new body. Add body, confirm. Now I want to make an extrude from 2 with an offset, and that's possible in SolidEdge. That's great. So let's go for an extrude with that sketch here, confirm, and it should go from 2, and I can define an offset, and it should be 2.5, and the from surface would be the minus 62.5, this one. And now I can define that offset by pointing in that direction, so I want to go in this direction, and again 2.5, and the to surface would be the 62.5, and of course in that direction, the offset. This looks really great, so finish, cancel this out. Nice. Now let's hide those two bodies. Next sketch, and hide those sketches. Okay. Still two sketches visible. Yes, there you go. Now, next sketch would be on the top plane, I suppose. So that would be this one here. Yep. And I think this should look something like that here. Maybe I have to check because there was a camera movement. So this should be 50 and this one should be 100. I hope I got the orientation right. Yes, looks good. Finish, cancels out. Let's make a new body. Add body. Okay, and this should be an extrude, and it should be with that sketch. Yes, and it should go from 2 again, and the from surface would be that plane here. So this plane here, and the to surface should be the 193.94 plane. Yeah, finish, cancel this out. Great. Hide that body as well. The next sketch would be, of course, on this plane here, that one. So go for another sketch on this one. Looks good. And the profile should look something like this. Up and like that. Now this distance should be 70. Okay. This distance should be 15. That distance here should be 40. And this distance should be 30. Now this has to be aligned with that plane. So where is it? Go for collinear. This plane and that line. And this has to be aligned with that point, or that point should be right there. So maybe go for coincidence. Put that midpoint right onto that plane. Looks good. Close that sketch. Finish. Cancel this out. And now this should be again an offset. 2 mm in that direction and that. And the planes are the 72. No. That's the wrong one. That's the one. Plus 2 mm on both sides. So let's add another body. Add body. Okay. Go for an extrude. That would be the sketch. Yes. Confirm. Now go from 2. Let's go from the minus 3.5, and the offset should be 2 mm here. Or was it 2.5? I think it was 2 mm. Yes, 2 mm. From the from surface is the minus this one here, and okay, let's try once more. 2 mm and select it. Yeah, now the arrow is here, and this should be a little bit more like that, and the to surface would be the 135, and I forgot to put in that offset. So go to the to surface, give that 2 mm, select it once more, this one here, and then the arrow should point in that direction. Finish, cancel this out. Maybe show that body just to check it. It should be, yes, that looks okay, great. I assume there's still no full round fillet in SolidEdge, at least I cannot find it, so I want to use two 50 mm rounds. So let's go for 50 mm on this edge and that edge, and confirm. Preview, finish, cancel this out. Let's hide those sketches and bring back the bodies. Yeah, looks good. So that's it for today. I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on LinkedIn, GrabCAD, Facebook, X, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.